graph negative 2x plus 5y equals 20. Because the equation is written in this form, we'll find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, because it won't be a lot of work to do that, and we can use those intercepts to graph the equation. Let's start by finding the x-intercept. When we find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. So we have negative 2x plus 5 times 0 equals 20, or negative 2x equals 20, or x equals negative 10. This tells us that the x-intercept is the point negative 10, 0. Now let's find the y-intercept by letting x equal 0. We have negative 2 times 0 plus 5y equals 20, or 5y equals 20, or y equals 4. And this tells us that the point that's the y-coordinate, the point 0, 4 is also on the graph, and that is the y-intercept. So we plot these 2 points, negative 10, 0 and 0, 4, and we draw the line that goes through those 2 points. And using a straight edge will give us a nice straight line. And when we're done drawing the line, the last step is to label it. That is the graph of negative 2x plus 5y equals 20.